shall we? Okay, groovy. Let's do some factoring. Oh,
Miss, how do I put it to make it show all you?
should do it just like you were doing.
But like the whole board? Can it go higher?
Yes, but I'm not sure. Oh, okay. Try. I don't know. It should go sideways though. Hey, there you go.
Are you want to look at yourself?
You know.
I just did. Okay.
Go ahead and start it and let's do one trial. Is it running?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if this shows up. We want to factor 4x squared minus x minus 3. And we're going to do this using the A times C as the product, B is the sum, and we're going to use grouping. So what is A and what is C? Yeah. A is 4, C is negative 3. So what is our product? Product. Negative. Good. And B is negative 1. So we want the product to be negative 12 and the sum to be negative 1. Well, any two numbers that you can think of whose product is negative 12. Any two numbers. Okay. Okay, let's try negative 12 and 1, and then 4 and 3. So negative 12 plus 1, that's negative 11. That's pretty far away from where we want. The bigger the number, that means the farther apart the two terms are. So we need to get closer. 4 and 3 are a great choice. Which one do you want to have be negative? Okay. 4 plus negative 3 is 1. We're almost there. We want negative 1. How can we adjust something with the 4 and the negative 3 so that when we add them we get negative 1? Good. And now negative 4 plus 3 is indeed negative 1. And we're going to rewrite negative x as negative 4x plus 3x using the two numbers we just found. Do we want to put the 3x first and then the negative 4x? Or do we want to put the negative 4x first and then the plus 3x? That's right. And we want the negative 4x first because the second sign is going to be in the middle. Okay, well, let's go ahead and do this. We've got 4x squared and negative 3, just like before. But here, instead of negative x, we're going to put in negative 4x plus 3x. And negative 4x plus 3x is indeed negative x, but now we can group the first two and the last two, and it's easier than if the 4x was second, because now the plus sign is in the middle. What's common between the first two terms? And that leaves 4 divided by 4 is just 1. X squared divided by x is good. 4x divided by 4x.
1.
Good. And we've got 3x and negative 3. What's common?
3.
And what's left? We know we're doing this process correctly if the two factors that are left over match. So are we doing it correctly? Okay, groovy. So we've got this matching factor that we're gonna pull out first. And then I've got 4x plus, I have colors now. 4x plus 3. And we're done. Can you stop the recording and just check to see if it worked out?